This is the happiest day of my life. Good morning. Today is a really exciting day. Today is Friendsgiving and Natalie is here. I'm doing her makeup for a wedding. We have all this stuff and then look at this. Doesn't that look so cute? We have, this is gonna be the buffet area, but it's filled with stuff. Anyways, I gotta do Natalie's makeup. She has a very special wedding today. Oh, Amy Lee. And it's a fun-filled day. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Okay, so I'll show you what she looks like after. Then maybe I can put myself together. She is all done. Ooh, look at that. Look at the eyes. Close, flutter your eyes. Ooh, and her hair. I did her hair. So pretty. And now she's off. It's exciting.
Okay.
Now I gotta fix this. I look terrible. My maid is here. Amy Lee's come over to help me clean. I still look crazy, but I think I'm gonna start making food. This is for my stuffing. This has been going stale. And yeah, we're just tidying up, getting ready. Making the stuffing. It looks so good. Sausage stuffing. And I know you want some, don't you? Don't you? Yummy, yummy, yummy. And here is the sweet potatoes. They just need the marshmallows. Yum. And here is the stuffing. Obviously not the finished product, but it looks so good. I need to start getting ready. Everyone's coming at 6 o'clock. And it is 2:45, so we are in good shape. I'm going to put the stuffing in at 3, so that'll cook till 4. And then I'll just put it, oh my hair is crazy, back into the oven to warm up before everyone comes. And yeah, let me show you, let me show you the table. So we have the flowers, and these are actually plastic forks, plastic plates. This, fun fact, is from my good china that my Nana bought me for my wedding. I have place settings and teapots and things like that. This beautiful, it's platinum, and I love it. I've never been able to use any of my good china, so to use that, oops, oh gosh, I'm really happy about. And this is where all the food is going to be put. So we push that, and there's actually quite a bit of room in here. You following me everywhere. You are. So I think this will be so fun and cute, and I'm very excited. Andrew is just singing my stuffing praises. Tell everyone how good it is.
So good.
Okay, no more. There's not a ton. I didn't make like a ton. Delicious. This, I did French bread and it's sausage stuffing. I think I said that before, but no more, no more. That's it. We have like an hour and a half, but I still have stuff to do. I gotta put stuff in the oven. I got my hair cut and I'm not too happy with it. And I have these wonderful short layers that I did not ask for. But anyways, it is what it is. Hair will grow back. Okay, I gotta keep going. Poor Walter, he's like barely been outside today.
I took him out.
Going out and walking and going for a walk are very different things.
We could throw some butter in there and salt.
Oh, we're talking about the gravy. I'll let you deal with that. We are now waiting for everyone to arrive. It is 5:37. My stuff is in the oven. This place looks so nice. So when you walk in, I mean the kitchen is the kitchen. I'll light that candle. It looks so cozy. We pushed the couch much farther against the wall. And then we have candles and the table, which you've seen like 3 times. Have some candles going in there. And then how cute is this water pitcher that I got from Target? I gotta put some ice in it. And yeah, Walter wasn't supposed to stay. He was supposed to go somewhere, but he's staying. And then we just put the chair in there. So we have more space. Our condo, I mean, it's small here, but the space is very useful. And like if you couldn't, when I first saw this, I probably wouldn't have believed that you could fit a long table and all these people sitting down and still have the couch and stuff in here, but you can, which is really nice. So hopefully everyone gets here relatively on time, then we can dig in. Yum, yum, yum. I'm the worst at filming. Everyone is here and all the food. Okay, everyone get your food now. Woohoo! Yes, but I forgot that I was. And we have yummy. Yeah. These wedges are the best.
Don't be deceived by the box that they come in. Don't be deceived by this carton. What's inside is what matters. Amazing. The hit.
Okay, this is so good.
I'm gonna take extra since I'm feeding Fitzy.
Okay. Oh, sorry. I turned off the music. Oh, go ahead. Go ahead. Say that again.
It's just so worth it.
Is it good?
Delicious.
I'm so stuffed. They're still going.
Yeah, that's all they meant. My belly is larger. I can't really
Did you eat the whole turkey?
I ate the whole turkey. It's in there. Oh my god. A seat kick. What? That's allowed. Do you feel her hot now?
I think there might be room for it in the kitchen.
Oh yeah?
Here, let me take it. You get food.
Oh, I will. Thank you.
Look at this. This is.
Oh man.
Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Nobody can deny. Sissy got a game. Nobody can deny. So clearly I'm not doing my cleanse right now, but I knew that going into today. But I have never had a different type of Krispy Kreme donut. This is so good as everyone's watching me eat it. This is so good.
What is inside of it?
I don't know, it's like it tastes like a birthday cake.
Just a little bit of
For real?
Like a cream
Look at
cheese
Walter
donut?
over here.
Yeah.
I got the one that's like
It was actually crazy. The Krispy Kreme, the lineup was outside.
What? How long did it take though?
Oh, I was there for like 30 minutes.
Was it
Yeah.
So worth it. This is the happiest day of my life.
so much better than our wedding?
so much better than our wedding, Andrew just said.
This?
So good.
Today.
It's
the happiest day of Andrew and my life.
Thankful, we're thankful.
Wow, happy
That was a joke.
Something is transpiring. We're cutting Amy Lee's hair.
Do you have sharp enough scissors?
Yeah.
Are you really gonna do this?
That was convincing.
That was good.
I have a few different pairs. We can test them.
We have the turkey blade.
This is so fun. This is my favorite night when things happen. Well, do you think these are sharp enough?
Yeah, sure.
We're gonna test on these 2 pieces of hair. See if they cut. Here, Papa will in. And then let Rachel cut it so that we can see.
How old are these?
But they're not that old. I wore them at your wedding.
Okay.
We can be.
And Amy Lee's.
What is happening?
Are you serious?
Okay, we're gonna test
I
this.
just have like serious damage.
We should wet it probably. No, not these.
Whoa, whoa, don't get on me. I'm married.
I'm gonna pee. Don't pee.
Pee, the baby might come out.
Do that.
Oh, okay, they're really good. Okay.
Do you feel lighter? Do you feel lighter?
Oh my god.
Where do I put this?
What is happening?
Okay. This is what good nights are made of. Here. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Here's the bowl.
Wait, can someone take a picture of this so I can show you to the right?
Rachel,
Holy water.
And here's a towel. What is going on?
I'm getting it wet. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Okay, it goes fast, and I'm gonna go to the
Oh my
hairdresser.
gosh. You just dipped it in there. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh!
I'm gonna send this to Aaron.
Let's see. Actually, that just looks. Oh my goodness, that actually looks really good.
Rachel, you get to.
Okay, we're gonna play Jackbox.
To this game. Did you guys know about this game?
No, not till he brought it last Thanksgiving.
Walter tooted. Sorry.
You got it.
He must have passed
Check in second.
You think?
Did I don't smell anything.
Missouri. What?
Holding my breath.
Is this a scary one?
No, you guys think that it's just
Chicago glory. Only goes party. Party in the I was gonna put guys in it. There you go. Hurry, you're gonna minute. A second.
No one thought it would be this close.
Oh!
What are you thinking?
Yeah.
The predictions are in. It's go time.
I wish Seth was here.
Oh my god.
That was by far one of the best nights I have had. Oh, it was so fun. We laughed so hard. I love my friends so much. Anyways, Friendsgiving 2018 was a success. Rachel and Paul, this is our last Friendsgiving before their baby comes. So it was so fun to make memories and just to have a good time. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna clean up and go to bed. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you again for another video. Good night.